Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use GitHub for Salesforce. GitHub is an essential tool for modern Salesforce development, offering robust version control for all your metadata and code. It enables seamless collaboration among development teams, allowing multiple individuals to work on projects simultaneously without conflicts. You can easily track every change, revert to previous versions if needed, and manage your release cycles with greater confidence and control. This approach ensures higher code quality and consistency across all your Salesforce environments. To begin, you will initialize a new Git repository for your Salesforce DX project. This repository will serve as the central hub for all your code and metadata. Next, connect your local Salesforce DX project to this remote GitHub repository. It is crucial to configure a gitignore file to prevent unnecessary files from being tracked. Finally, establish a clear branching strategy, typically involving a main branch, development branches, and feature-specific branches to organize your work effectively. For your daily development, always begin by creating a new feature branch for each specific task or user story. Before starting any work, pull the latest changes from the main branch to ensure you are working with the most current code. Commit your code changes frequently with clear, descriptive messages, providing a detailed history of your progress. Once your work is complete, push your feature branch to GitHub and create a pull request, initiating the code review process. The final step involves implementing continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD. This automates the testing of all code changes and facilitates seamless deployments to various Salesforce environments. It is paramount to maintain a clean main branch that is always deployable to production, ensuring stability. Furthermore, utilize dedicated release branches for managing and deploying specific versions of your application, providing a structured and reliable release process. This approach significantly enhances efficiency and reduces deployment risks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.